Ali, Jim had some red and blue marbles. Jim had twice as many marbles as Ali. Ali had red and blue marbles in the ratio 1:5. Jim had red and blue marbles in the ratio 5:3. What was the ratio of the total number of red marbles to the total number of blue marbles? Now, what we can do for a start is to write down Ali's ratios for red is to blue. Red is to blue. So this will be 1:5. Alright, and with this we can also find the total, which is 1 plus 5. There will be 6 units. Okay, so 6 units in total for Ali. And for Jim, very nicely, they have also given us the ratio of red is to blue. That is 5:3, and we can also figure out the total. Alright, which is 5 plus 3, 8 units. Okay, now it's important to take note that when we compare the totals, Jim must have twice as many as Ali. This number must be twice of this number. Okay, but at the moment it's not. It's not twice, because 6 times 2 is actually 12, it's not 8. So the way to do this question is to make it the same first. Make 6 and 8 into the same common multiple first. So 6 and 8 common multiple is 24. So times 4 over here, times 3 over here. So you have 24 here, you have 9 here, you'll have 15 here, 24, 20, and 4. Now, all we need to do is to ensure that, again, this and this, Jim's is twice of Ali. So you'll take this 24 and you'll further multiply by 2. Okay, take the 24, further multiply by 2. Let me write the steps here that I did earlier on. Same thing here. Times 2. So you'll have 48, 18, 30. Okay, now we have ensured that Jim indeed has twice of Ali. What is the total? What is the ratio of total? The red is to total blue. Total red is to total blue. So red will be 4 plus 30. That will be 34 units. And blue will be 20 plus 18. That will be 38. So total red is to total blue will be 34 is to 38. Divide by 2 both sides. 17 is to 19 as our final answer for this question.